For our last section in Chapter 11, we're going to talk about equations of circles. Equations of circles. So we know what a circle looks like, right? Right? But a circle has kind of two main things, right? It has a center point, like in the middle, and it has a radius, which goes from the middle to the edge. Center and a radius. Those are like what basically you can draw any circle once you know the center and once you know the radius. This is what an equation of the circle actually looks like. And I know that looks a little bit crazy, but you'll see that it's actually really simple. The center of the circle is always h, k, and the radius is r. And I know that's a lot of letters, so like if we say that in words, we'll say that the center is the opposite of the numbers. The opposite of the numbers. And the radius is the square root of the last number. The opposite of the numbers and the square root of the last number. So if we just do a few examples, it'll become really clear. So the first one is x squared plus y squared equals 16. There's no numbers here, so the center is 0, 0. And the radius is the square root of the last number, which is the square root of 16, which is 4. To draw a circle with center 0, 0, radius 4, I draw a center of 0, 0. And then I do a radius of 4 in each direction. And then I just create the circle from those little tick marks, kind of. Yep, that's it. In number 2, now we see these numbers. The center is going to be the opposite of those numbers. So it's going to be positive 1, negative 2, that ordered pair. And the radius is the square root of the last number. The square root of 9 is 3. So to graph that circle, I'm going to go to the ordered pair 1, negative 2 rather. And then I'm going to go a distance of 3, a distance of 3, a distance of 3, a distance of 3, and connect. The last one, now we're following our pattern, the opposite of the numbers, so negative 2, positive 3, and then the square root of 4 equals 2. So ordered pair negative 2, positive 3 is here. And then the square root of 4 is 2, up 2, down 2, left 2, right 2, and then I just connect them to make my circle. Graphing a circle. The last thing we're going to do is go backwards. So given the center and the radius, write the equation. So it's going to be x minus 0 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 7 squared. Or I could simplify that, x squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 49. And you don't even have to draw the picture. Here I'm going to, right, opposite numbers, same thing. So x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals, and I could do 5 squared in my head is 25. Don't forget the little squares, like those are important, and the plus sign in the middle. Sometimes people forget those. Last one, now you're a pro, x plus 6 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 81, 9 squared. And that is it. That is the equation of a circle.